So in this video we'll work on the pricing section. So after the hire me section, begin a comment pricing. I'm going to create a section with the class pricing and also the margin class mgtb. Now here I'll create a container, then row. Now I'm going to create a h4 with class header and center. Inside this I'll create a strong. I'll write pricing. Then I'm going to add two break statement. Now after this I'm going to create one more row. Now we'll have three pricing cards. Three cards. So the column will be L4. So call S12. On mobile device it will take up the entire width, and on large devices it will take up 4 column. And I'm also going to give it a class called price card and center. Now inside this div, first I'm going to create a h4. I'll write portrait. Then I'm going to add a horizontal line, then an h2, and in strong tag I'll write $100. Then what I'm going to do, I'll copy the paragraphs. So para, and again I'm going to create a para, let's say 10. After this I'm going to create a UL with li. Let's copy the text. Li. The third one. Now after the UL I am going to insert a break, and then I'll create a button. So A with the class waves effect, waves light, and a class called btn large. These are all materialize classes. Now inside this I'll add an icon. So I with the class material icon and also a class called write. Then I'll write add shopping cart, and then buy now. So let's save and see. So why the icon is not showing, let me check. Here it will be icons. So we have one card. So what I'm going to do now is just copy this entire div two more times, 1 and 2. And now let's change something. So for the second one, let's say landscape. Let's say he charges $300 for landscape photography. And for the third one, let's say animals. Let's say it charges $500 because taking photos of animals is hard. So let's save this. So we have the markup for the pricing section. Now let's style this. Open up style of CSS. Begin a comment. Pricing. First I'm going to target the price card. Height I'm going to specify 600 pixel. Width is going to be auto, and background color 263238, and box shadow I'm going to add an inside shadow. So write inset 0 pixel 0 pixel, 20 pixel will be the spread, and the color is going to be 1A 1A 1A. After this I'm going to target the middle, this middle price card. So I'll write price card nth child 2, and I'm going to change the background color to 2F637D. Let's see. So we have this inset shadow, as you can see that this black shadow, and I've changed the color of this middle one. Now let's style the H2. So price card H2 margin top and bottom 40 pixel, right and left 0. And then I'm going to target the UL. Margin top will be 50 pixel. Then I'm going to target the LI. Margin top and bottom 20 pixel, right and left 0. After this I'm going to target the A tag. The background color is going to be 00 B0 B0, and when you hover over it, so price card A hover, the background will be teal. So this is the CSS for the pricing section. See, when you hover over it, the color changes. So this is the pricing section, and in the next video we'll build this blog section.